Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, 'cause beauty is my name.
What up, beauty gang? So it's been quite a long time since I have done a high puff tutorial, and it's also around that time where I'm supposed to be washing my hair, but I'm not feeling it today. So I'm showing you guys how I do my updated high puff routine, starting with spritzing my hair with the Main Choice Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover leave-in spray. I do that all along my hairline also to make sure that it kind of moisturizes it. Then I'm going to go in with my Creme of Nature curling pudding. It smells amazing. And I use this because it acts as like a holding type of cream. Instead of me using gel, I use this curling pudding. Put that all along the edges of my hair, front and back. Then smooth it in with my soft brush. After I'm done smoothing my hair, I'm going to take my ponytail holder and I'm just going to put a very loose high puff in my hair, and I'm doing this because I'm going to have to lay my edges before I do the actual high puff. Starting off with using Jamaican black castor oil all along my hairline, because you know we got to keep them edges strengthened and full and thick. And then I'm going to go in with my Gorilla Snot and use my hair toothbrush to drag it all along my edges, pretty much my baby hairs, but just a little bit of the edges. So I'm going to apply it with that, and then I'm going to go in with my skinny small tooth comb, and that's how I create my swoops. So as you can see here, I'm using the small tooth comb and my finger to guide the swoops in the direction I want them to go. Once the swoops are to my liking, I go in with my soft brush and just smooth them cohesively into my hair. Now I'm going to take down that loose puff and I'm going to cut my headband in half, and this is going to give me a very nice firm slick puff without it being too tight where it feels like the blood circulating to your brain is going to cut off. So I bring the headband around the back of my head above both ears, and I slowly slide the back of the headband up, and then once I get it up a little bit, I start tugging left to right with the ends of the headband until I get the puff positioned to a height that I am comfortable with. And then I go ahead and alternate the ends of the headband to opposite sides, bring them around and twist the front or tie the front as if it's a shoestring, but then I don't do a loop, I just tuck it into the sides as you can see here. Now to set the style, I go in with my handy dandy scarf. You have to set the edges, honey. If you don't, is your hair really laid? Honestly, if you don't set your edges, is your hair really laid? Probably not. But all right, now I am gonna go ahead and fluff out my puff while my edges is laying, a little bit with my hands and then a little bit with this pick. Then after I've fluffed my puff out to the max or to my liking, I'm gonna go ahead and let my edges sit for 5 more minutes. After those 5 minutes are up, I take my scarf off and it is like magic, hunty. Like call me genie in a bottle type stuff. Edges are laid, hair is laid and slayed. You can't tell me nothing, okay? But yeah, this is how I achieve my high puff on my beautiful type 4 hair. Alright y'all, real quick before I forget to do my post notification shout out, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So today's post notification shout out goes to Alexis Ariel. She is my fellow Virgo sister. So shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for being a part of Beauty Gang, and thank you for being a part of Notification Squad. If any of you guys are interested in possibly being shouted out, all you have to do is be subscribed to Beauty Gang, aka my channel. Hit that bell button after you're subscribed so you're notified each time I post a new video. And then on every new video of mine that you see, be sure to hashtag Notification Squad, Notification Gang, Beautification, hashtag something to let me know you're a part of that ride or die circle. You have the potential to be shouted out. But that is all I have for you guys. Really hope you enjoyed this updated high puff tutorial. Bro, I have not done one in like over a year. I guess I just feel like it's everybody's go-to, so I'm just like, why do it? But you know, I figured some people might want to see how I go ahead and lengthen my wash day. But yeah, anyway, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new. Beauty Gang is lit. And until next time, guys. Bye.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you walk. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. One time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you own it. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty